Hey guys, welcome to Tech Unbox. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So today in this unboxing video I have got the Portronics VoltClock Charger here for us to unbox. Okay, it is basically a digital clock with digital alarm functions. Along with that, it features a wireless charging pad by which we can charge our wireless devices. And not only that, it has also got a light function at the back, okay, by which we can use it as a kind of a night lamp during the night time. So why wait? Let's unbox the product and check out its features. And well, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for all the latest and upcoming videos on Tech Unbox. Okay, so on the box we have here like two alarm clock settings, and then there is this temperature and calendar display. So it says like 15-watt wireless charger. Okay, so we can charge our wireless devices. You see the box, so it's written as audio, mobile, accessories, PC and all. So what the Portronics brand does. So on the feature list we have like this RGB light, USB output. It says like 12 and 24-hour format, type C input, multiple brightness level, and there is a snooze button, okay, for the alarm clock. If you see the back, it's written like the price is 2,999, but if you buy from the Amazon it will cost you less, around 1,500 or so. That's what I have got. And here is a message for us. It says wake up charge, seamless power and precision timing. Okay, so without any further delay, let us open the box and see. So guys, in the box contents we have this Portronics device, okay, along with there's USB-C cable, and there is a small booklet type. Another is the warranty registration certificate. Okay, so here we can see like we have the snooze button, then there is memory functions I believe, then this brightness control button, and there is plus and minus. So overall this has got a matte finish type, and this is our wireless charger. Okay, if you see over here, so it's the brand is written as Portronics over here, and the back side you see like it's volt clock and the input voltage is given. Okay, the wireless output is maximum 15 watt. Here there is USB-C as well as USB port. Okay, this is something like night light. Okay, so without any delay, let us remove the sticker on the top. Okay, here is gone. It's quite shiny. Okay, let us power up this. I don't think it has got any charge. So guys, you can see like I have just inserted the power cable, which is the USB-C, and it has got power up. So currently it is showing the time, okay, along with the temperature. The date settings is there. It shows the day also, so Friday is there, FRI. Here we have this. Okay, so here we have got this RGB light. Okay, so at night this will be helpful. I think we can customize. This is one output USB A is there, which we can use to power up some of the devices if needed. We can charge our mobile phones also, or any other devices. And this is a very lightweight, okay. And I think there is this memory function, okay, which we can set the date and time. And there is this snooze button for alarm. This goes a minus. So this is a very simple thing, okay. And good, we can use this wireless charging feature for our wireless charging devices. So with this minus button we can dim the display and turn off, okay. With the plus we can increase the brightness of this display, okay. This is the maximum, okay. In that, this is the lowest intensity, it goes out, and then this is the highest, okay. And if we long press the M button, then it will bring up the alarm clock, okay. So there are two alarm clocks, you can see like alarm 1, okay. We can set the clock, and this is the alarm clock 2, okay. And by this button we can change from the current time to the alarm clock time that we want to set, okay. See the wireless charging feature. I'm placing my phone over here and it says 79% charge, so the wireless charging has started, okay. So this is nice. So that's it, friends. If you like this video, please give a like and do share and subscribe the channel for latest and upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and supporting Tech Unbox.